Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'm going to answer the question if the PS VR2 have screen recorder. So basically, yes, the left PS VR2 Sense controller comes with a create button that allows you to take a screenshot and screen record your gameplay on PSVR 2. You can press this button to open the create menu, using which you can capture your screen view without having to leave the VR mode. So basically, both on the controller and on the VR goggles, there is the button to capture your gameplay. When you press it once, it will open the Create Control Quick menu. When you press it and hold, you will take a screenshot, and when you press it twice, it will screen record your gameplay. Again, if you press it double times, the screen recording will stop. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.